She never cared for the constitution. She thought West Bengal is another country and she is the Prime Minister of that country. So today CID is at her place. Everybody will be brought to books.
This is only for harassment. Absolutely to harass Mamata Banerjee. This has been done, and just to malign her, this has been done by Shubhendu Adhikari, Chief Minister. A vindictive Chief Minister who has destroyed the constitutional right, everyone's right. হলো তো এখনই, এটা তো হলো এখনই। তা কখন করবো? কোর্টে যাবো, বিকেল 5টায় কোর্ট খোলা আছে।
दादा सीआईडी क्या कह रहे हैं? दादा सीआईडी क्या कह रहे हैं?
This is not in accordance with law. Because Mamata Banerjee is not in a picture. Neither any FIR has been lodged against Mamata Banerjee, nor she has been called as a witness anywhere. This is a vindictive attitude initiated by Shubhendu Adhikari, Chief Minister. He is arrogant, he is autocrat, he is a vindictive person. Absolutely a vindictive person. For his vindictiveness, thousands and thousands of persons have been arrested. Today he has sent the police CID to the Mamata Banerjee residence. I asked them, why you are here? Well, then they said that the meeting has been taken place here, that's the reason we have come. I said, wherever the meeting has been taken place, resolution given there? Well, yes, the resolution remains there. If a meeting is taken place any hall, auditorium, resolution will be there. This is our CID. This is our criminal investigation department. This is totally to harass Mamata Banerjee.
আপনারা আন্দোলনের নামছেন না কেন? They have cited any reason for this searching? They have cited any reason for this searching?
No, that I have said to you. They have said that regarding the two resolutions, and these two resolutions, since yesterday, it is the subject matter of the Calcutta High Court. Already we have filed it. But this CID doesn't know. Well, we don't know. Now, what is the CID is about? What is the CID is about? If they do not know anything, these resolutions, copy of the resolutions have been filed yesterday before the Calcutta High Court. And copy has been served upon the Speaker, upon the Ripubrata Banerjee, and also others. This is only for harassment. Absolutely to harass Mamata Banerjee. This has been done, and just to malign her, this has been done by Shubhendu Adhikari, Chief Minister. A vindictive Chief Minister who has destroyed the constitutional right, everyone's right of the Trinamool Congress in West Bengal. He has taken the democracy at totally the undemocratic state this state of West Bengal is. বলুন আপনি কি বলছেন? No, nothing. No, there is no, not at all.
देखिए ये हम लोग कंडेम कर रहे हैं। हम सब लॉ अबेडिंग सिटीजन है, लेकिन ये घर ममता बनर्जी का घर, 3 टाइम्स का चीफ मिनिस्टर, 7 टाइम्स का MP, ममता बनर्जी जैसी लीडर, वो ममता दीदी का जो अभी दिल्ली में प्रोग्राम है, ये तो सबका मालूम है दिल्ली में प्रोग्राम है, ये इंडिया ब्लॉक का मीटिंग है, दूसरा इंपॉर्टेंट मीटिंग्स है। तो ममता बनर्जी जब नहीं है, उनके एब्सेंस में ये क्या हो रहा है? मेरा तो एक काम था, मैं जब आया ये सब देखा तो अंदर से हमको बुलाया, लेकिन CID नहीं अलाउ कर रहा है। लेकिन इतना दिन तक ममता बनर्जी थे तो वो लोग नहीं आया। ममता बनर्जी जब दिल्ली में है तब ये ममता बनर्जी के घर में ये से CID सेंट्रल फोर्स, ये ठीक नहीं है डेमोक्रेसी के लिए। हाँ, अभी मालूम हुआ, वो उसके ऊपर वो तो लीगल मैटर है, हमारा कोई कमेंट नहीं है। हाँ, तो मेरा जो घर यहाँ का ममता दीदी का घर का जो सिक्योरिटी है उन लोग अलाउ कर दिया, लेकिन CID बोल रहा है इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है, इसीलिए वो अलाउ नहीं कर रहा है। हम बार बार रिक्वेस्ट किया, तो दीदी का घर ये हो रहा है, यहाँ पर तो रहूंगा ना।